The Western International League was a mid to higher level minor league baseball circuit in the Northwest United States and Western Canada, informally known as the Willie Loop. It operated in 1923, 1937 to 1942, and 1946 to 1954. In 1955, the league changed its name to the Northwest League, and still operates today as a Class A short-season loop under that name. The WIL consisted of teams in the U.S. states of Oregon, Washington, and Idaho, and the Canadian provinces of British Columbia and Alberta. It was a Class B league through 1951 and was upgraded to Class A in 1952. In its final season in 1954, it started with 10 teams in Calgary, Edmonton, Lewiston, Salem, Spokane, Kennewick, Richland, Pasco, playing as Tri-City, Vancouver, Victoria, Wenatchee, and Yakima. 3 teams did not finish the season: Spokane, Victoria, Calgary. The final champion was the Vancouver Capellanos, who swept the Lewiston Broncs in 4 games. Vancouver was the first half champion, while third-year Lewiston won the second half. Throughout much of the 1930s and 1940s, its teams were largely unaffiliated with Major League farm systems and provided talent to the strong Pacific Coast League of the era. Member teams: Champions, Johnson, Lloyd, Wolf, Miles, Eds. 1997. The Encyclopedia of Minor League Baseball. 2nd ed. Durham, North Carolina. Baseball America. ISBN 978-0-9637189-83.